Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make collage of your photos. Okay, so in order to make collage of your photos, come to your gallery. My gallery is here, as you can see. I'll tap on it. Okay, so you want to come and select a few photos you want. So I'll come to this option of camera. So I want to select a few photos I want. So I'll select this, then I select this plus this. Okay, so as you can see, I have a couple of options down here, and one of the options is create. Okay, so I'll basically come and tap on create. Then it'll give me an option of video or collage. Okay, so I'll choose collage. Okay, so as you can see, we have created collage of our photos. So there are different styles here you can choose from. There's this, or there's this. So when you're done creating, basically just come and save from here and you're good to go. However, if your Android application doesn't allow you or doesn't give you an option of creating collage, simply come to Google Play Store. Okay, come and search for Photo Collage Editor and Maker. Okay, it's Photo Collage Editor and Maker. So the first application here, install it. So after installing it, please come and open it. Alright, so when you open it, you wait for it to load. Okay, so it's basically loading. You have to be a bit patient. So after loading, this is how it will look like. So come and select this option of collage, the first option here. Okay, so when you select the first option of collage, come and select a few photos you want. So I'll basically select a few photos. I'll select this, then I'll select this and this. So those are basically three photos I've selected, as you can see, and I will say next. So these are just ads, you can close them. Okay, so when you press next, this is how your collage photo will look like. So there are styles here, layout. You can choose this, you can choose this, or you can choose this. So when you're done selecting the style you want, basically just come and tap on save. Then after saving, you're good to go. Your photo is in your gallery. Thank you for watching.